Hi, my name is Dr. Zach Cartun. I'm the co-founder of StrideSoles and part of the MBA’23D promotion. StrideSoles is a telepodiatry clinic for custom orthotic insoles. It's a set of 3 solutions: a 3D scanning app, a questionnaire, and then a partner podiatry clinic. Together, we enable patients and their clinicians to provide custom orthotics at a fraction of the time and cost from the traditional medical pathways. Our story is really quite serendipitous. My co-founder, Gregory Gerla, has flat feet, and about 2 months prior to his exchange at INSEAD, he had gone to his podiatrist for another pair of custom orthotics. The process took about 2 months and cost him over $1,000, which was not reimbursed by insurance. The worst part is that his insoles weren't ready for when he came to France. So he arrived and his feet were in a lot of pain, and he put a message in the healthcare group: does anybody want to work on an idea for a startup for custom insoles? I had just come to INSEAD. I wanted to try something new and put myself out there, and I signed up for it. And it turned out that my background working with patient-driven imaging for ultrasound technology was a perfect fit for the solution that we eventually came up with. INSEAD played a fundamental role in our startup. First, it put me and my co-founder together, which was obviously huge. But second, and even more importantly, I had incredible support from my classmates and professors in turning the idea into a business and then getting that business off the ground. And I think on top of that, what I learned during class was critical for me, because I came from medicine where I didn't even know what a financial statement was prior to starting my business. And now I feel like I have the tools and skills needed to really take off. My experience with IVC was something of, I don't know if fairy tale is the right word, but it definitely had some of those elements. So we applied for the first IVC during my P1 and didn't even make it to the semifinals. And I have to credit my co-founder, Greg, with continuing to work on the idea, starting to call up different orthotics manufacturers and podiatrists. And his enthusiasm really motivated me to continue working on the idea throughout the year. And then by the time our P4 rolled around, I went, oh my gosh, we really have something going here. And when we submitted for the second IVC competition of the year, we already had a real product, real customers, and even identified our target market. So I don't know, without the IVC, we definitely would not be where we are today. And I'm so thankful. We've had tremendous progress so far, but given how much there is still to do, it does feel a little difficult to articulate where we are today. But I can say we're a complete working solution, so anybody can download our app, answer a few questions about their foot pain and shoe preferences, and our podiatry team will design, build, and ship custom orthotic insoles right to your doorstep. At the same time, we started partnering with several physical therapy clinics who use our solution to expedite care for their own patients. And in these partnerships, we really think there's really big potential both in the US and the EU. Right now, we have 10 clinics signed up, and actually later today, I have another call, hopefully for lucky number 11. We have some pretty lofty goals this year, but I'm confident we'll be able to hit our targets. We're trying to partner with 200 primary clinics, particularly in the physical therapy space. We'd also like to onboard our first 2 hires. And I think the elephant in the room is we're raising our first seed round, and that's basically where I'm spending most of my time right now.